For nearly 4 decades, CAPA, the Certified Automotive Parts Association, has been delivering on its promise of offering the automotive industry a viable, trusted alternative to OE replacement parts. And it all begins here at Intertech, one of the world's most respected scientific testing partners for scores of industries and organizations, including serving as the exclusive licensee of the CAPA program. Hi, I'm Terry Fortner. I am the Executive Director of CAPA. With more than 30 years of experience in the insurance and aftermarket industries, I am very proud to advance CAPA's public service mission as the nation's only independent testing and certifying authority for automotive replacement parts, providing the confidence of safe and consistent repairs. Check out this state-of-the-art vehicle testing lab where thousands of vehicle test fit parts are performed annually. Both CAPA candidate parts and their car company counterparts are installed and compared for fit, form, and function by ASE certified technicians. These parts meet CAPA's rigorous quality standards, which were developed and approved by CAPA's Technical Committee. This unique committee includes representatives from all segments of the industry.
I've been in this industry a long time, so I'm very aware of the options that are out there. That is why we won't consider using them unless they're a CAPA certified part. As a member of the CAPA's Technical Committee, I've gotten really good at understanding all that goes on into the certification process. This role also allows me to provide real-world feedback on behalf of the shops to make CAPA's testing process even better. There is a quality difference with CAPA parts, so it's important to keep educating the industry, even the person at your shop checking incoming aftermarket parts from the jobbers and the distributors, to make sure that they're looking for the CAPA seal. CAPA is good for our industry and our customers with higher quality, lower cost choice for replacement parts. Would I use a CAPA part on my own vehicle? The answer is yes.
In the insurance industry, each and every repair claim is carefully considered. In fact, a multitude of criteria is evaluated, and topping the list is replacement part quality, as that drives successful repair outcomes. With a career that spans 50 years of experience, including collision repair and auto physical damage claims, I know what it takes when it comes to replacement parts. There's a difference. That's where CAPA comes in. It's the only nonprofit organization of its kind relying on third-party oversight to provide high-quality automotive replacement parts and services, offering the marketplace a viable competitive option. The bottom line, if it doesn't have the CAPA seal,
it's not a CAPA certified part. So be sure to look for the CAPA seal.